guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I got this cute little bob, then keep watching, guys. I am very excited about my first wig. Yes, honey, this is a wig, so continue watching if you want details on this. Okay guys, so the wig that I got is by the brand Outre, and it is called the Daily Wig. I got the color 1B. I got this at my local beauty supply for $24.99. It says hand tied lace part, and it says you can wear me on a daily. Now let me turn my light down some. So a little bit about this wig. I would say this wig is beginner friendly. This is my first time ever wearing a wig. I always wanted to get into wigs, but I just, I was just scared because wigs look like wigs to me. But I've been watching videos and I see how some people can make them look so natural. So I wanted to invest in like affordable wigs before I move up to the bigger wigs. And plus I do makeup, so I'm like, I need to change it up so I can do different exotic looks with wigs. So anyway, it comes with this little booklet. And then it just shows you what type of hair they have from their human collection and synthetic. This is from their synthetic collection. I have the wig right here in Ryan. It also comes in like this rose gold pink. And then these are the human hair. So I'm going to show you the wig that I got. I dropped some stuff, y'all. So I got this wig in a blunt cut bob. It has, like I said, a lace part. Let's see. I'm just going to give y'all a brief description. I'm not really going to get into everything, but it is synthetic fibers. It says it's pre-plucked. And like I said earlier, it's a breathable mesh cap. Heat and styling friendly. Now I did pluck my part some more so it can look more realistic, and I'm not sure if you can see, I did put it some concealer on it, and I just used the LA Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I just took like a flat brush like this and I just applied some concealer on the part. It was kind of like closed in right here, so I plucked the hair to make it look more realistic when I put it on. I was going to cut some baby hairs, but I decided to, as you can see, I just did my own baby hair. So yeah, it's really soft. It feels really good to be synthetic. I did take like my wine curlers and I flattened out the top because it was a little poofy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, excuse my chair. My chair is real squeaky if you hear it, but I did, I'm going to spray my hair with my Got To Be Glue Blasting Freeze Spray. And then I bought some, I'm not sure if I'm going to use this today, but I got the Got To Be Ultra Glued styling gel. So what I'm gonna do is, so my wig can stick, is I'm going to spray it right here so that it can stick down, and then blow dryer and blow dry it. Okay, so also I got a nude cap instead of a black. So it's gonna be like, until it gets like a little sticky, and then I'm gonna place it on. Guys, and the reason why I tried out a wig is because I couldn't get in touch with my hairstylist. Today I was supposed to be going to the Wendy Williams show. She has like a little comedy show, but she ended up canceling. So I'm pretty upset about that. So I'm just about to go grab something to eat instead. So this is the type of cap that I have on. a new cap. Yeah. So also, I forgot to tell you guys before I apply my wig, I'm gonna do it off camera, and I think I'm gonna put my Got To Be Glue gel on off camera. But as you can see, this wig comes with 2 combs on the side, and then it comes with 1 in the back, and it also has the adjustable straps to you can adjust it to your head. So yeah, so I'm going to apply this off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is how the wig look on. So if your hair is frizzy, you can spray some of this Got To Be Glue spray on here to maintain the flyaways, the frizz. And then so what I did was I sprayed this on earlier, as you saw, and then I went in with the gel. And then this gel, this is my first time using this gel, so it's very sticky. So I just blow dried that. And then, I'm sorry y'all, I'm just dropping stuff because like I am really rushing to get out of here. But for my baby hairs, I just used the 24-hour edge tamer, and then just one of these little brushes for my baby hairs. And it comes with 2 combs, and I absolutely love this side of this comb. It swoops my baby hairs really good. I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. I have to push my chair back up. So this is what the back look like. A nice cut. And for me to be applying my first wig, I think I did pretty good. Let me know what you guys think below. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, because like I said, I kind of think I'm gonna get on a little wig train maybe. So like I said, if you want to see more videos, then just comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.